how to create custom filter for Snapchat. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure you are using the latest version of Snapchat, and if not, then go ahead and update your Snapchat. Now go ahead and open the Snapchat application on your device. Tap on the screen to get access to filters on your device. Now, once you have the filters, swipe through until you reach the end of the filters. You will see the option for Explore Lenses. If it is available in your region, you will be able to see the option for Create New Filters. For me, it is not available in my region for the time being. Also, go back and tap on your profile Bitmoji on top left of your screen and further tap on the settings option on the top right. Now in here, make sure that the access for lenses and filters is enabled. So this is how you can create custom filter for Snapchat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel Lock and Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.